Hi, this is my Weeden horizontal electrically heated. It's a model 647, and as you can see behind it is the Weeden 14 fuel fired. I think the one in the back's a little older, has the fake rivets on the boiler and the Weeden name. We'll run that one in a little bit, but right now we're firing up the electrically heated one, and I've already given it time to warm up a little, so we're going to see if it's ready to run. I think we're just about there. I like these Weedens with the cast base. They seem to be well-built engines. I have some of the tin-based Weedens, and honestly, unless I can pick them up dirt cheap at a yard sale or a flea market, I probably won't be buying too many of those. Even the early ones, I'm just not real impressed with them. A lot of them are pot metal parts that are worn out, and I don't know. I'm a big Jensen fan. I have a lot of Jensen engines. I like their collector series and their earlier engines with the cast engines, and so some of the little tinny ones I'm not quite as impressed with, but this is certainly a nice engine. We'll slow it down here. I think that's about as slow as we're going to get it to go. Nice smooth running engine. And a fairly fast little engine. Okay, there we have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure and watch my other videos. That's it for now.